Today's race day replay is brought to you by
TCI, 50-plus years of drivetrain excellence.
Head start, going to Malcolm Ricks. Stage is first. Malcolm taking his time, he's in. Oh man, Malcolm missed on reaction time. Top end, wind light for the third time in the last 8 days. Here we go. They're separated by 100th of a second. Top end, your Scott Dickey Parts Center Chevrolet Performance Stock winner. From Concord, North Carolina, Jeff Hines gets the win. Skillman's in, Holbrook's in. Start line advance going to Holbrook. They're side by side. Top end, quarter mile, win line. Holbrook 770. Wow, what a win, ladies and gentlemen. That will do it. Hendricks out of it, top end. Eric Gustafson, 368, 183 miles per hour. So Eric Gustafson is your VP Racing Lubricants Xtreme Pro Mod winner. Finally, Mathis goes in. Sharp's in. Oh, Sharp left on him a little bit. Top end, your HEMI Quick 8 winner. Logan and Griswold. Big advantage for the Corvette. Top end, your LME Street King winner. Throttle game, Griswold 862. Start line advance going to 9. He's starting to pull away. Top end of the racetrack. Richard Nye wins it, 788. Top end of the racetrack win line, Vince Corey, 456. Congratulations, Vince Corey, your winner. Red light, Brent Wheeler, Jim Netherland will win the Nostalgia Superstock final. Oh man, Brent Wheeler was 005 red. Here we go, top end, quarter mile, your Detroit Truetrac Nostalgia Muscle Car winner. From Arrington, Florida, Wesley Lee. One-hundredth of a second separation. Top end, your Magna Fuel Open Comp winner. Give it to Shane Williams from Knoxville, Tennessee. 1175 on the 1172. Will be Thomas Debs or Dwayne Massengale. There they go, off and gone. Top end of the racetrack. Your Pro Form Rumble winner. From Ringgold, Virginia, Thomas Debs gets it. Red light, Andy Warren, Pete Ricard in the coverage jet wins Coan Engineering Stock Superstock combo with a hammer down 830. Here we go, keeping Perez. Problems for Troy Perez. Brian Keith wins Edelbrock Extreme Street.
Today's race day replay is brought to you by
TCI, 50-plus years of drivetrain excellence.